Alright, so the very first thing I'm going to do is take a center section down the middle of the back. Two A-line sections, one on each side, you can see clipped away, and we're going to comb this hair down and establish the new length. Basically, this is the guide for the rest of the outline for the rest of the haircut. So you can see I'm combing that hair down, and just right there by the shoulders, we are establishing the new length. I'm going to continue taking sections, working my way up, and then all I'm going to do is simply comb those sections down so that I can see the guide right there of the previous section to know how short to cut the current section. So once I've done this section, I will continue taking A-line sections and combing them down until we are all done with the haircut. Alright, so I'm taking another section, combing that down. You can see through the current section, the section underneath, which is the guide, so I know how short to cut this current section. So I'm just combing that hair straight down, using that underneath section as my guide, and basically cutting the current section the same length as all of the previous sections. Once we've wrapped up the left side, then we will basically wrap up the right side. Alright, so now that we've got the left side all done, it is now time to do the right side. You can see I'm combing that hair down, using the underneath as my guide, and simply just doing the exact same thing I did on the left side to this right side. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in that comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, thank you so much again for watching.